In today's video, I am going to show you how to install the Bitwarden browser extension on Chrome, Firefox or Safari. Bitwarden is a secure and open source password manager that helps protect your online accounts while making logins fast and easy. To get started, log into your Bitwarden account. Once you're inside your dashboard, open your profile and look for the option called Get the Apps. Clicking this will take you to Bitwarden's official download page, where all supported apps and extensions are listed. On this page, scroll to the browser extension section. Here, you will see options for Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Choose the browser you're using. If you select Chrome, you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Firefox users will be sent to the Firefox add-ons page, and Safari users will be guided to install it through the Safari extension store. On the extension page, confirm that the extension is published by Bitwarden to ensure it's authentic. Then click Add to Browser. A confirmation window will appear asking you to approve the permissions. Review them briefly and confirm the installation. After a few seconds, the Bitwarden icon will appear in your browser's toolbar. Click the icon and log in with your Bitwarden account to start saving and filling passwords right away. That's it. You've successfully installed the Bitwarden extension on your browser. The steps are nearly identical across Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. And once installed, Bitwarden makes managing passwords safer and much more convenient. Thanks for watching and happy password managing.